Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mexicanas en el Mundo. I'm Alexandra, Mexican in Switzerland, and today I'm going to teach you to make a chocolate mousse, a very delicious chocolate mousse. And this video is dedicated to my little friend Elisa, who also lives here in Switzerland. I hope you prepare this mousse with your mommy. It's very easy to make, and once you make it, you invite me over so I can enjoy it with you guys. So, well, this mousse was shared to me from a recipe that my mother-in-law has. She got it from a friend of hers. Her family had a confectionery pastry bakery shop when she was young, when she was little. So this recipe was made in their shop, and she shared it with my mom-in-law, and she shared it with us. So we're happy to share it with you guys. It's a very delicious chocolate mousse. It's not heavy and it's not super sweet. So it's perfect for when you want to have something chocolatey but not overly sweet. It's really nice. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so the ingredients we're going to use for our chocolate mousse, as you can see, it's very basic. It's not a lot of ingredients. It's 5 ingredients, so super easy. I'm going to use cream, full cream. It's not the half cream or half and half or anything. It's full cream. Here in Switzerland, it's Wohlrahm. It's the one with the red top from the brand Heidi. That's the one I'm using. This bottle is 500 milliliters, so if you guys want to use the whole bottle, you can use it. The only thing that's going to happen is that your mousse will be less sweet. If you want it more sweet, then go for the original recipe, which is 400 milliliters, but if you want to use the whole bottle, nothing's going to happen. It's still going to be very delicious. So 400 milliliters of cream, 60 grams of sugar, 1 egg, 80 grams of dark chocolate, and 2 to 3 spoons of milk. That's it. So the first step is we're going to add the sugar and the egg to the bowl, and we're going to whisk it until it gets nice and creamy. Once you see that the sugar is kind of dissolved, I guess, in a way, and that the texture is creamy, you know that you're done with that first step. The sugar is whisked with the egg. As you can see, it's nice and creamy. It has a nice color. It looks really nice. And the next step is melting our chocolate. So we're going to put it in a little saucepan. I'm using a saucepan. I'm going to add, you're supposed to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to add 3, and I'm going to be melting it in the pan. I'm going to use a small whisk. You have to continuously whisk the chocolate, otherwise it burns. The milk helps so it doesn't burn, but still you have to be whisking until it's completely melted. And once it's melted, you have to add it to your mixture of egg and sugar. So that's the next step. Okay, so the next step is putting our cream into a bowl, and we're gonna whip it up. You have to be very careful how much you whip it, because if you overdo it, then it turns into butter, and you're gonna end up with a chocolate flavored butter, which we don't want, right? We want whipped cream, so we want a mousse, and we're not going to overdo it and turn it into butter. So you whip it until it's turned into whipped cream. In the US and in Mexico, and I don't know what other countries, usually whipped cream is sweetened. You can also get the unsweetened type, but here in Europe, just whipping up cream means whipped cream. So for wherever you are like that, you know what I mean. So just whip up your cream until it's nice and fluffy. we're done with the 2 basic steps. In one bowl we have the chocolate mix, and in the other one we have our whipped cream. The next step is mixing the 2 ingredients. So we're going to add our chocolate into the cream, and we're going to mix it in a folding form. You don't have to stir in or anything. You have to fold in the chocolate, otherwise you lose volume. That's the whole point of whipping your cream up. It has to have volume. So just fold it in gently, and as soon as you see it's integrated both ingredients, you're ready to go. You scoop it into little forms and you pop those in your fridge for a few hours so that you can enjoy your mousse nice and chilled. Okay, so the mousse, I had it in the fridge for about an hour now. I already put it in the containers. I used containers which are a bit big, mousse portion size. I mean, usually you use smaller ones because it can be quite a filling dessert. But otherwise, if you have a big sweet tooth, these are perfect for you. And just as a suggestion, you can garnish them with chocolate shavings or anything you want. I use chocolate shavings in this one. These are just the chocolate mousse with nothing in them. But that would be it. You just pop them in the fridge a few hours and you enjoy them. They are super yummy, and as you saw, they're really quick to make. So in 1, 2, 3, your dessert is done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.